Hey guys, welcome back to the Kite Vlog. Welcome back to another vlog. I know I have not been making lots of videos in like months and stuff, but I've been so busy. So much stuff has been happening. I started school and so much stuff. So since I just thought that I'm gonna make a slime video. Since I don't make like any other types of videos, so I'm just gonna make a slime video. So let's get started. So guys, I'm only going to be showing you guys two slimes today. Just two slimes today. Yeah, so let's get started. Okay guys, I'm only showing you two slimes because there's only like two slimes that I really love. So we're going to start with this big one. Oh, I got to pause it. Hold on. So, this is a big slime. It's in this big container. Ready? Ew, it's sticky. Here's a close look up. It's really big. Guys, I'm so scared. Look at that. It's so much of it. And it's so sticky. I should have did this last. Look at some slime effects. So guys, if you didn't know, one thing I hate about slime, I just hate it when it gets stuck to my hands. But look at that. It's over activated a little bit, but I think we can manage. Oh my gosh, it's a big slime. Gotta get my hair away from this. Oh, see, this is a big slime. And I love this slime because it is a pretty ugly color. It's like a brown, greenish. But it does have some glitter in it. It's really sticky. Oh my god. But it is a really good slime and I love it. It doesn't cause too many problems. In school, when I bring some slime to school, it makes me, like when I had a test or something, I just love this type of slime. It does not bother me at all. I can play with this for hours and hours. Okay, we're gonna go to the next slime. So let's get started. So here's this slime. it's in a bag because I don't have no more containers. Gosh, it feels weird. So this is the color. I love the color. It's a beautiful slime. Oh my gosh. It's stuck to me. Okay. So it's a little bit of slime. I love it. I just love this type of slime. And it's so stretchy. I can make a little swirl. Look at that. Oh my gosh, I love this slime. And like, if you got, I'm gonna put it a little close up. The color is like, it's like in I think it's a lavender. I love lavender color. It makes me so. I want like some lavender stuff. So yeah, this is the slime. I love it. It's my favorite slime out of those two. I'm actually gonna put it up top of here, and I can make some noises. Yeah. Hold on, random thing back. It is so satisfying. And I do have a couple of lots of other slimes. I just don't want to do all of them today because I was just going to show you guys my favorites. So yeah, I'm just going to show you guys these. I literally love this slime. Like, I can't. It might be a really small slime, but like when you put lotion in it, it gets so big. Like, I'm not kidding. I promise you, it gets so big. Like, you guys should try it out. If you have like a really small slime, none like my size slime, not like a teeny tiny bit, but it's gonna be like a big slime. If it's like a slime like mine, I promise you the slime will get bigger. If you put like Nivea, any types of lotion. But this is how I like my slime right now. Yeah. So guys, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Hope you subscribe for my channel, which is Zakiyah Smith, of course. Don't forget to follow my TikTok. And guys, I'm so happy on my TikTok. I have 1K hearts. Like, I have 1K. That's what it says on my TikTok. I have basically have 1,090 followers. I mean 1,000 hearts and 90, and it's so good. And I have 1K hearts, like 1.1K. Yeah, like that. And I have a lot of followers, a little bit, I think. Yeah. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Subscribe for my channel, which is Zakiyah Smith, of course. Follow my TikTok, which is going so good. And I thank you guys so much for giving me all the things, all the best stuff that you made for me for my TikTok. Now I have 1K hearts. My TikTok is ZZ7383. It should be a picture with the little girl, with the girl have buns in her hair. Her name Jaden. Me with braids, and a little girl Yanni, and she has little twist cornrows. I don't know. So yeah, and right now I want to get hearts. Thank you for watching the video. Bye. Peace.